How to download Microsoft Teams on your Windows PC. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Teams on Windows step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials. First, open any browser on your computer. Now, go to the search bar and type Teams. Open the official Microsoft website from the search results. Once you're on the website, click on Download Teams at the top of the page. Now, select Download for Windows. You can also download the Teams application on your phone by just scanning this QR code from your phone. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded setup file. Once you click on the file, the installation will begin. Now, wait while Microsoft Teams installs on your computer. This may take a few minutes depending on your device and internet speed. Once the installation is complete, Microsoft Teams will open automatically. Now, sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't already have an account, you can create a new one during setup. After signing in, Microsoft Teams will finish setting everything up for your PC. Once setup is complete, you can start using Microsoft Teams for meetings, chats, and work. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Microsoft Teams on your Windows PC easily.